Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle. Today is Thursday, August 27, 2009, and I have a few stocks that I would like to talk to you about today as we prepare for trading on Friday. The first stock out the gate is stock symbol CIT. That's CIT Group, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that today we finally had heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock, and the stock did move to the upside. And the average daily volume for CIT is basically 89.9 million, and we ended the day trading with volume of about 156.6 million. So we did have higher than average volume coming to the price of the stock, and also the stock did move to the upside, but we need to see a break above the pivot point between $1.65 to $1.70, and the stock ended the day trading at about $1.56, up 29 cents or 22.83% on the upside. So please keep CIT on your watch list for a big price move tomorrow in trading. The next stock to watch for a potential move to the upside tomorrow is stock symbol BAC. That's Bank of America Corp, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that the stock did move to the upside with lighter than average volume of about 176.2 million. But the average daily volume for Bank of America is 270.33 million. So we need to see heavier than average volume to the upside in order to take this stock a lot higher. But also what we are looking for is a break of the pivot point right here between $18.05 to $18.10, and the stock did end the day today trading at $17.92, up 13 cents or 0.73% on the upside. But like I mentioned, we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of Bank of America in order to take this stock a lot higher. So please keep Bank of America on your watch list for a potential price move to the upside in trading on Friday. Next up is stock symbol ISR. That's ISO Incorporated, which trades on American Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at the chart in the volume area, you will notice that the stock did end the day with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock. The average daily volume was 931,000, and the stock ended the day with heavier than average volume of 1.41 million. And what we are looking for tomorrow is basically a break of the pivot point right here between $1.35 to $1.40. But if you have a close look right here, you will notice that the stock did move to the downside for 5 consecutive days, ending with a doji yesterday. And today the stock basically broke out and moved to the upside, but we need to see a break of that pivot point, like I mentioned, between $1.35 to $1.40. And the stock ended the day trading at $1.33, up 25 cents or 23.15% on the upside. Next stock on the radar is stock symbol C, and that is Citigroup Incorporated, which also trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock basically came from around $2.30, and it's up over 100% since June 27th. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you notice that today we had heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock. The average daily volume for Citigroup is basically 956.83 million, and the stock ended the day with volume of about 1.21 billion. So we did get heavier volume coming into the price of the stock, and what we need to see is basically a break of the pivot point right here between $5.10 to $5.15 in order to take the stock a lot higher. And the stock ended the day trading at $5.05, up 42 cents or 9.07% on the upside. Last but not least is stock symbol TGLN. That's TBC Global News Networks Incorporated, which trades on the OTC Bulletin Board. And this stock is basically a sleeper. This stock has moved from about 17 cents all the way to 1 cent, and basically is trading at about 2 cents in trading today. But if you have a close look in the volume area, volume has been on the downside as well, and we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock. The average daily volume was 1.01 million, and the stock ended the day with trading with volume of 752,000. And what we need to see is basically a break of the pivot point right here at 0.025 to 0.028 cents, and we are above 5-day moving average but below the 10 32, 50, and 200-day moving average. So we need to see a price break above that 10-day moving average before the stock starts to move higher. But like I mentioned, please keep TGLN, that's TBC Global News Networks, on your watch list for a price move to the upside. The stock ended the day trading at 0.022 cents, of 0.3 of a penny, or 15.79% on the upside. So keep TGLN as well as the other stocks that I mentioned on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside and trading on Friday. Thank you again for listening to another WizzWatch. Have a great day and happy trading to you.